while I'm waiting on the Dow to get with the darn plan here, I noticed we did finally get a zigzag. Remember, it was 345. Now it's 145. So that's 145. And I'm still thinking in my mind that it's going to come down to here and then possibly bounce back up and then come on down and make the little head and shoulders thing. But this is going to be, I'm going to post some indicators over on enivids site, earn4x.com, these type. What this is a multi-time frame. Now I'm on the 5-minute chart here. And this will show the 30-minute, the 60, the 240, and the daily. And I'm sure you've seen these type of indicators before. They're the same indicator on all time frames. So I can sit here and I can look at the 5-minute or the 1-minute, and I know exactly where these indicators sit on these other time frames. Let me go to one here. Okay, this is the I think I just call it the 1434 wave or some kind of something. What this is, let's see, I'm on the 4-hour chart, should be on the 15. What this is doing nothing more than telling me where the 14 EMA is in relation to the 34. You can see here it's above, it's lime. When the 14 is below, it's red or magenta. Down here, the top row is the 30-minute, so the wave must be going up. It is not telling me where the price is in relation to the wave. I have indicators that will do that, but this one does not. On the 60-minute, it's the 14's above, 240 it's below, and the daily it's above. So let's just go to what we said, 30-minute is lime. See, it's lime. The 60-minute was lime. And the 240, oddly enough, was red, right? See down here it's red. Let's go. There it is, magenta. Anyway, so that's what that does. And the way I use this is if they're all lime, I'm kind of interested in buying. I'm less interested in selling. Doesn't mean I won't never do the opposite of what I should be doing, of course. We all do that. But as in the case here, they're all lime. I'm kind of leaning towards buying, or at least I should be leaning towards buying. Okay, that explains that one. Here's what is this, TSR? Yeah, this is the top one is the TSR 10. The next second one is the TSR 20. And you know what the TSR is. It's the whole moving average that's colorized. What I do in this case is I try to wait till either all the 10s are red or all the 20s are red, or either all 8 of them are red. So in a case here, I would be interested in looking to sell. Because see, they're all 410, the 30, the 60, and the 240 are all falling. I should have had the TSR on here, but just trust me, they're falling. And if I can go back, see, here's a situation where some of the 10s weren't falling, but all the 20s were. Same situation. I'm kind of interested. I'm less interested in buying when they're all red. I'm less interested. I know a lot of people buy, but I'm less interested. Okay, here's a good situation. All the 10s and all the 20s are red, so I am extremely interested. This is March the 3rd, and today's March the 8th, and we had a weekend in between there. It doesn't take that long, and you can actually calculate how often this will occur. And once you calculate how often it will occur, it will give you some incentive to wait till it occurs. Because if I would be to ask you right now, how often do all 10s and all 20s fall on the 30, 60, 240, and daily at the same time? You probably wouldn't know. Or how often do they rise? You probably wouldn't know. But you can calculate that. And so you can kind of know in advance what to be expecting next week, tomorrow, next week, next month type thing. Now this one, I probably, and everything I can't post. If I post something, you will get the mq4 code. I will not post anything where you're using it in the dark. I'm against that 100%. You need to see the code. Even if you don't even know what it is, you need to have it. You need to see it. Need to have it. I will not ever post anything that you can't see the code. I'm just against that 100%. This one I might not post simply because it is a little bit on the confusing side sometimes, and there's more to it than just waiting until they're all red or waiting until they're all lime. But there will be some. You might see some on my charts that I don't post, and just trust me, there's a reason why I don't. But in this deal here, it does not hurt if the daily is different than the 30, 60, and 240. The others, it helps if the daily is the same. On this particular thing, it doesn't. And you can see how well it fell, and the daily wasn't even involved. Now, is it better if all of them are the same? Sometimes. Sometimes not. Here's a perfect example. See here, they all turned. It went up, but they all stayed lime, which might sometimes kind of might mess you up. That's why you need something else with this to kind of give it, a little bit of, flavor, so to speak. Is that thing getting? No, heck no. I tell you what, that darn Dow, about to get tired of it. Still $100 in the hole on both accounts. I ain't giving up though. I still got time. Running out.